Hey folks, it's JP here. It is Tuesday, September 6th, day after Labor Day, and I am in Avondale, Louisiana, and the house I'm going to be removing these bees from is being torn down. And in fact, there's probably a quarter of the house left, and when I came by about 4 days ago, there was a crane in where the living room used to be, sitting right there on the concrete slab. So that's gone now. But they need me to go ahead and deal with these bees so they can tear the rest of the house down. So that's what we're doing today. The hive is pretty much completely exposed. And when I came out the other day, I went on the interior and I found a couple of spots where they have some comb in the wall. So I'll have to remove that too. But anyway, I'm going to show you what this thing looks like. Okay, so here's our hive right here. And you can see they're just kind of chilling, and we just went through that tropical storm. Was it Lee, I think they called it, and these bees survived the storm. Well, they got a little bit of a part of a roof left, so I guess that shielded them somewhat. To be honest with you, I wasn't quite sure if we'd still have bees after all the rain that we received. I'd say we probably have a good 20,000 bees here in this thing. So I'm kind of against the clock this evening. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum. I'm gonna try to salvage some comb if there's any salvageable. They were robbing out the other day and there was some brood comb on the ground. So there may still be some usable comb, and I'll go ahead and put these in the nuke and feed them up, and we should be able to get them survive winter. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Apologize for the bee vac, but you can hear it running, and you can hear the generator in the background as well, because there obviously is no electricity here. So we're going to get into it. Kind of running out of daylight here, folks. But this is what we have left right here. Ran out of time a little bit. I think there's a good chance that I vacuumed the queen, but I'm gonna look on the other side of the wall, which there ain't much on the other side of the wall. I'll give you a peek of what that looks like. I had to be a little aggressive because, like I said, racing against the clock. As you can see, I'm in pitch dark. I vacuumed about 2.5 boxes of bees, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a nuke, give them feed. I got a couple of brood comb sections. Most of the comb was kind of messed up. I don't know if it was from when them trying to knock down the house, or that's probably a good part. I got really 2 brood comb sections that I'll put into the nuke. I'll give them foundation and I'll feed them. And I can even take the nuke and bring them and put them on goldenrod when that starts blooming. And golden rain trees haven't even bloomed yet. So there's golden rain and the goldenrod that they have access to, so they should be fine, and we'll build them up and get them through winter. Let me get in here and see what we got on the other side, if anything. And not really seeing anything. So there's my smoker on the other side of the soundboard. So, and I did this the other day, just wanting to see if there was comb. Put on the brick, and you can see a little bit there still, but no bees. So let's say we got them all. I got my nuke right here. Let me show you what we got. I'm not using a tripod, so bear with me here. So here's one brood comb frame, and got that right in the middle. And here's another. Okay. So it's not a pitch dark spot that I'm in, but there's a street light not too far from me, but I'm underneath a pine tree, so there's not a whole bunch of light, but maybe this little light will help us with our filming. And I always like to just give them a little bit of smoke just to keep them honest. Just gonna give them a little bit of smoke. Oh, they're really clustered. Oh boy. I guess this box has seen better days. Let's see if I can't maybe spot her. And they're flying a little bit. Kill that light some. Let me give them a little bit of smoke. Actually, more bees than I thought. Okay, starting to spread out and run. Alright, they're starting to spread out a little bit. So folks, another bee removal by JP the Bee Man. And I hope y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching. Until next time.